GC160. And then the pocket bike for 15. Definitely stay tuned if you want to see this built. I need a sprocket, I need a clutch, chain. Also, I need to get the motor in there. A lot has happened to it, so let's jump into it. Fix the front fender, some power bond, trim the front end, it was cracked. Made this rechargeable LED headlight. Got from a donor bike these brake handles cables. Front is front, rear is rear. Cut that notch so that it would work. At work, a buddy of mine helped me weld the motor plate. My dad helped me weld the rear sprocket onto the old one so that I can make it all work. The torque converter works great, but the chain it came with was a little too short, so I had to get a new one. Shorten it a couple links. And then I added the new fuel pump hose. Relocated the gas tank. Made this seat out of leather and wood. Mounted it with some nice hardware. Got the wiring all nice in a loom up to the kill switch. Throttle works great, goes through the frame. The throttle return spring I just mounted to the frame. We're going to run it like this for a while and then we'll end up painting it real nice. The tires were a challenge. I had to take the bearings out, clean them, repack them with marine grease, and then change both the tire valves, as well as add rubber cement to the beads. Let's take it out for a ride.